Very rainy day. Here we are, out for a walk. Cassie, come on. On Father's Day. Jack, get up. Come here, go. Come on, let's go. As you can see, everything's very green. And yeah, what else? We were just asleep in front of the fire, actually. And our dogs, specifically that yellow one there, came and barked at us and said, "Get up, lazies, let's get out in the rain and go for a nice long walk." So, Cassie, what are you doing? Good girl, come on. So that's what we did. It's pouring, but not cold. Funny to have boots on again because we've been in sandals. But nevertheless, this is rainy Alberta, nice and green where we live. And hey Jack, good boy. And we could certainly do with the rain, so we're not complaining at all.